Hi, I'm Michael Simonov. I'm VP of Product and Chief Medical Officer. At Truveta Symposium, I'm talking about how we leverage AI over our data to make it really clean and usable for clinical research, and how we make sense of all the messiness of electronic health record data using AI. Electronic health record data is generally not collected for research purposes. It's generally collected for either taking care of patients or for billing and coding. And so by that very virtue, the data it doesn't come readily prepared for research. So a large focus of our efforts is taking that data, thoughtfully applying AI over the data so that we can reach the scale that we want to have for bringing the best data in the hands of clinical researchers. I'm genuinely very excited about all the outputs of our efforts of leveraging AI to clean EHR data. I think it'll be so impactful for rare diseases. I'm very optimistic that Truveta's efforts in AI will markedly improve patient care.